Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Today's video, lesson between the lines, one you should watch if you're an avid Walgreens shopper because there's a lot of great information in this video. Okay, so last week, one of you guys reached out to me with this story that was just really out there. And if you go to a site like Reddit, where people share, experiences, and there's a little bit more information on a site like Reddit, you're going to find this all over the place. And I remember years back, this was actually a thing. So this is, I'll just explain it to you. So last week, a subscriber of the channel went to Walgreens around 5 in the morning. I'm assuming it was before work, so she was kind of on a time crunch. She did a little deal, got some register rewards and $10 in Walgreens cash, left the store. Pretty straightforward. She had to go back to work. She had somewhere to be, so she didn't have time to utilize all of her register rewards in the Walgreens cash. So a couple days later, she went back to the store to buy some groceries, and the soaring price of food, that checks out. I know a lot of people are buying food specifically over at Walgreens. And she was the only person in the store because it was 5 a.m. So just mark that down. And essentially, after she went 2 days later to buy her groceries, at the register, she had no Walgreens cash. It was at zero. And she was like, what? And she then called customer service to try to figure this out, like what is going on. And essentially, she was told that 10 minutes after she earned the Walgreens cash, it was spent by somebody in the store. So was it an employee that was looking on the back end while she was typing in all of her information and paying attention to her zip and all that stuff? I don't know. Was it another customer? I don't know. But somebody took it. And she felt really upset and violated. And who wouldn't? I know a lot of ladies out there save $500 plus for Christmas over at Walgreens to help buy Christmas gifts and gift wrap and all that good stuff. So imagine if they found a really big Ponderosa account. It just makes you wonder. So, if you are just one of these people that you're just like, I'm really worried about my account and I want an extra layer of safety, what you're going to do is call customer service and get your zip code changed to a 5-digit PIN that only you should know, kind of like your debit card. It's a smart thing. You have to do it through customer service. You can't do it digitally online. Definitely make it your job to watch the balance of your Walgreens cash. This was only $10, but $10 is $10. I would hate to lose $10, but make sure that you have an idea of what your account is every week. So if you see a huge dip or it's at zero, you'll have an idea that something kind of fishy is going on, and you can get in touch with customer service for some help. And really be careful who you share your information with. That's very, very important because Walgreens, Rite Aid, off the top of my head, if you have somebody's phone number and you have a little bit of information like where they live, with those two pieces of information, you could probably go on quite the shopping spree. Not that everybody thinks that way, but somebody who works at the store who needed $10, it kind of adds up. I really hope that specific store went through the video footage, and if it was in fact an employee, even for $10, I hope they got the hammer dropped on them, because that's not cool, and we should be able to feel safe in the store shopping. Again, go to Reddit and read about this, because there's a lot of posts about it, the people that have been, shortchanged this way, but a very valid point. And I think the subscriber who brought this to my attention, it's a very good lesson. Change your zip code to a 5-digit PIN. Very smart. Okay, so before I skedaddle into the big sunset, guys, I just want to talk about these digital coupons. I know that I made a video yesterday, the best deals and blah, blah, blah. And a lot of it was predicated on this $8 and a $5. And a lot of you in the comments were saying, hey, these are missing. And I was like, no, they're not. And then I went and threw a couple in a basket, and I'm like, yes, they are. So here's the deal. If you did in fact load this one or the $5 and did not do any of the deals a couple weeks back, and I'm in that boat too because I haven't done it, there is a paper trail that customer service has on their server over at Walgreens. So if you loaded a coupon and they took it away for whatever reason, they will still have to comp you for the missing coupon. grab these 2 screenshots if you need to show them the coupons on your account. But they owe you at least $13. You have to go to the store and buy it and then call customer service and say, hey, my coupons were there and then they vanished, and they will have to answer your questions. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Be safe out there and really pay attention to your store account, all the coupons that are there, and all of the Walgreens cash. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.